Hey everyone, it's me. It's another day, another dollar. And this evening I have, well, look, we have pancakes, eggs and cheese, and just a little bit of steak. Whew. Been a rough day. So we decided to have breakfast for dinner. And it's good. It is. I've been craving pancakes, so. I tried to get my son off of steak, but he didn't want it. So we got cheese, pancakes, and steak for dinner. And it's so good. Especially when you've been craving pancakes. Did you put some syrup on your pancakes, Joshua? He's specialist on me away. But that's my home. Syrup can make something so much better. It's so good.
I'm good. I'm full.
He didn't even eat his pancakes. I'm telling you, this cheese omelet, it's a die for. And I didn't make him but 3 pancakes. Mm-hmm. But I'm gonna tell you, he does know. If you don't eat it now, you can eat it later. Because mama ain't cooking nothing when she's through cooking. That's good.
That was a good steak, though.
But that's his little pea picking hard. You didn't have me in that refrigerator. Yes, it's small. He's hooked on that Fortnite game. He's been on it since he came in from work. You okay?
Yeah.
No, I just asking. tell you. Whew. It's just been a long day. And I want to give a shout out to Miss Lakeisha Sweezer. Y'all gonna have to check out her channel. A lot of her stuff says The Roommate. Lakeisha and Amber, I love them. They had a best relationship, like sisters. They are amazing together. They would have you cracking up. And Lakeisha does live streams. Usually, I don't know. Me, I'm up late at night, can't sleep. And usually that's when I get the live streams. But she will have you rolling. And she has the most beautiful chaos. But there's her. And then there's Bob Kies. Bob, Kies. Bob Kies. He was on America's Got Talent. And he's trying to get back on. Then there's Angie Three. I love hers. She's got the two cutest little kids that you could ever imagine. And there's one other. It's called, it's either Instinctive. I think it's Instinctive CC or Incentive CC. I think it's Instinctive CC. She has the best personality, the best energy. But if you check out the channels that I just mentioned, and I'll put their names below in the description, they will have you would, Bob, he does roller skating tricks and all kinds of things. And then there's Lakeisha, she cooks for her roommates. Congratulations, Lakeisha, on your 40-day fast. And then they do all kinds of amazing challenges and mukbangs and beauty tips, different things. But go check them out. And hopefully you'll be amazed now. Oh, and you have to go out and check Mr. and Mrs. Lee. Ms. Lee, her name is Hannah. She just does amazing things. And her husband, it's so fun to watch during the mukbangs. It's just funny. And if you ever see him without a Dr. Pepper, something's gonna happen. Because he loves his Dr. Pepper. Feeling kind of guilty now. I hate to see food go to waste. And yes, I'm a big girl and I know I am, but I know my son ain't eating them pancakes. And they are so good. So I probably won't eat them all, but I'm going to eat a couple of bites of them. Because I cooked them in real butter. When they come out the skillet, I put them in real butter. Then I cover them in syrup. It's hard being a fat woman. But it's okay. And there's nothing as good as a buttermilk pancake. Well, my greedies, I'm glad you were here. tonight. I'm glad you decided to stop in, check out the video. Even if you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down, hit a thumbs up. Make a comment telling me why you didn't like it. If you liked it, do the same. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me know why you liked it. And we'll go from there. Hopefully, I'm getting better at this. And I can be here to entertain you guys. To spend some time with you throughout your day. I'm still trying to come up with a schedule for uploading and everything, but if you've ever done this, I'm sure you know. Between your life and everything, you have to find a schedule. But I'm here. If you're missing me, let me know. I send something, I post something, I don't know. But I really appreciate all the people who are subscribed. I appreciate everyone who views the video. So, again, if you like it, subscribe, share, and comment. And maybe I can get better at doing what I'm doing. And we can go from there. Oh, and one day I'm gonna get myself together. Usually I post the videos of me. I might not post them at the end of the day, but I record them at the end of the day when I'm tired. My hair is not that good. My makeup is not that good. But hopefully I'll make one for you soon that does. And you'll get to see me before the day grabs hold of me. All right, you guys, y'all have a great evening. Peace.